I'm going to show you exactly how I did that with Goldcast. We hosted this webinar on how to scale your content output and stand out in the age of AI with Devin Reed. It did really well. So of course, we also wanted to repurpose it into a guide we could distribute. So very easy. I went to Goldcast ContentLab. I grabbed the video, I searched for it, found it immediately. I then want to transcribe that video or produce a full-length blog, what is great about this is I can do this automatically inside Goldcast, and they have a lot of different prompt options. Or if you want to get a little bit more if you want to take the transcript, you can also take it over to ChatGPT. Again, Goldcast gives you everything you need to get the entire summary and the key points from the video. I then take that and I'm able to create basically the whole written portion of the guide based on the video. And then the fun part is I'm also able to go into Goldcast and get those video clips. I'm not a video editing maestro, but I go in, I can just highlight, Command F, find keywords relevant for different sections. I can pull out the snippets and then get those video clips, customize them with my branding so it's consistent. And then I have the written content over here. I have the video clips here. I strategically place the video clips inside the guide content, and I build it with let's say a builder like WordPress or Contentful. And now we have a full-length guide with video content from that webinar we can distribute evergreen. And the great news is if this looks easy, it's because it is that easy. If you have Goldcast, you can do all this in one place. So you could literally do this by yourself if you already have the creative from your event. You don't need to go bug other teams for assets. You can literally do all this in a day or two, which is awesome. So that's a workflow that I've done multiple times, and it works really well for me.